Welcome to WinClass. In this video, we're going to look at creating all different kinds of tabs and how we can configure those tabs. Let's start with creating our first tab. To do so, let's look at the tab bar at the top of the page. Here, we can see a button with a plus icon on it. Click it to see several tab options. We can see three different types of tabs. The first is the Whiteboard tab. Click the Whiteboard tab to open a new page on your classroom. The Whiteboard tab is a collaborative drawing space for you and your students on it to do a variety of useful things, such as add images, draw, insert equations and graphs, add shapes, and many more. The next tab we can see is the Document tab. Clicking the Document tab button will open another page like we did with our Whiteboard. Our Document tab is a powerful document processor like Microsoft Word. Here we can add headings, write documents, highlight text, and many more. Finally, for all our programmers, we have a fully fleshed out code editor with syntax highlighting for many programming languages from HTML, JavaScript, Python, and even SQL. To open a code editor tab, just click the tab on the drop-down, just like the other tabs. Use any of the tabs to fine-tune your lesson to make it as efficient as possible. We'll go into further detail of each tab in our other videos. Let's now interact with our Open tab to name your tab. Double-click on it and give it a new name to close or delete the tab. Click the cross icon on the tab. If you accidentally click the cross, you can click the undo button that appears as a notification when you click the cross. If you have many tabs open like in this example, you can use the navigator arrows at the right end of the tab bar to navigate to more of your tabs. Let's now right-click on the tab itself. Doing so will give you a number of options. First, you can disallow your tab to be closed in the case that you don't need to delete it anytime. You can also disallow any changes to our tab. This can be useful if you don't want your student to modify the contents of the tab. You can also duplicate a tab and even download the tab as image on the whiteboard or HTML on a document or coding tabs. Finally, you can close tabs to the right if you need to clean up your classroom a bit. The last feature I am going to show you is a very useful one. You can upload PDFs straight to your classroom, and it will all be handled for you to import a PDF from your computer. Click the plus icon like before and click Import PDF Office. Choose a file from your computer and you'll see a few tabs open for you to annotate on the whiteboard, and that's it for navigating the tab bar. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. Please watch our other videos at WinClass channel or visit our website winclass.com.au. Thanks for watching. See you next time.